There is one of the course approved by HEC that's name is Fundamentals of Geography. It is important for the students who are preparing for the exam of CSS, PMS, BS and MSc of Geography. Topic 1. Definition, scope and branches of geography. What is geography? World geography is derived from Greek word geo mean earth and graphy means to write or study. It is simply the study of earth and everything that goes on it. Geography is one of the oldest and diverse field of the study. Simply we can say that geography is the study, the scope of geography. When most people are asked to define the nature of geography, the usual response is it focus on the location of countries, capitals, rivers and oceans. Although the location of places is the part of geography, the field encompasses much more than that of location of these things on it. In fact, you may be surprised to learn that whatever you like to do and wherever you live, geography is very much a part of your everyday life. It means wherever you live on the globe, geography play a very important role on their evolution in the field of geography. Thousands of years at least, geography was a descriptive discipline that focused on the generalized location and characteristics of places and things. Slowly, however, geography became an academic discipline with numerous specialized subfields. Scientists became experts in areas such as geology, meteorology, and human cultural differences. Interested in geography grew especially between the 15th and 19th centuries when experts like Christopher Columbus, Ferdinand Magellan, Charles Darwin, and Lewis. The trend towards specialization in geography has continued to the present time. Most geographers consider themselves first of all to be either physical or human specialists. In this slide, it is a short description about the evolution in the field of geography. First thing is that 1000 years ago it was just descriptive study, and the second important thing is that the specialization in the field of geography comes into being between 15th and the 20th century. Subfields of geography are, we can say that, the branches of geography. Basically, there are three main branches of geography: one, physical geography, human geography, and then interface geography. Physical geography is further divided into seven categories. Human geography also further divided into seven categories, and interface also divided into seven categories. In the next slides, we study in detail about all these three and their subcategories of the geography. Physical geography, astronomical geography, geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, hydrology, biogeography, and astronomical geography. Geography is the part of mathematical geography that treats the earth in its relation to the other celestial bodies in the solar system. Astronomical geography thus studies the earth as a planet with its shape, size, imaginary lines of latitude and longitude, time zones, and the earth is diurnal and annual emotions, yearly calendar and seasons. Geomorphology, according to Bloom, geomorphology is a systematic description and analysis of landscapes and the processes that changes them. Climatology, according to Miller, climatology is the aggregate study and analysis of climatic conditions with the long-term keen observations. Climatology is thus a science which deals with the atmosphere, various changes that take place in the atmosphere due to temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure, and so the formation of various climatic zones on the earth and their influence on the natural environment. Oceanography, according to J. Proudman, oceanography studies the fundamental principles of dynamics and thermodynamics in relation to the physical and biological properties of the seawater. It is related to the study of oceans, for example, temperature, salinity of the ocean, water relief of the ocean floor, movements of the ocean, water tides, ocean currents, etc. Hydrology. It is a study of Earth's surface and surface water bodies found in the form of oceans, rivers, glaciers, lakes, and seas, underground water, water vapor in the atmosphere. Biogeography. It is a study of factors responsible for evolution and spatial uneven distribution of various species, plants and animals, flora and fauna found on the earth. Soil geography. It helps to understand the formation, its structure, types and distribution on the earth. Soil is the most important component of the earth that determines the growth and distribution of natural vegetation, thus the species associated with it. Human geography. It is further divided population, settlement, economic geography, regional geography, cultural geography, historical geography, and political population geography. Is a branch of geography that studies factors responsible for various patterns of spatial distribution and location of population on the Earth's surface. It studies various demographic aspects of human population, explaining growth of population, structure and occupation of population, and other socio-cultural aspects. Settlement geography. Settlement geography explains the evolution and growth of rural and urban settlements in relation to their site and situation, their structure and pattern, nature of functions. Economic geography. This branch explains us about spatial distribution and concentration of different types of economic activities influenced by physical factors and practiced by men based on their local attributes. Regional geography is a branch of geography that takes into account the homogeneous physical characteristics of an area to designate it as a region. Thus, various regions are formed by taking into consideration its climate, relief, drainage, natural vegetation, and population that determines unique characteristics for formation a particular region. For example, monsoon region based on climate, river plain of Indus and Ganga river basins, savanna region based on grassland, Amazon region based on forest, demographic regions based on population characteristics, for example, density of population, etc. Cultural geography. This branch of geography basically studied about the culture of different areas, for example, on the basis of food, habits, religious occupations, language, architecture, etc. Historical geography is a branch of geography that takes into account the geographical and human factors and processes responsible for the happening of different historical acts and events in the space over a period of time. Political geography is a branch of geography that studies the organization of political system in a country. It mainly deals with its jurisdiction, boundaries and frontiers, and nature of relationship with neighboring and other countries in the world. The functioning of the political system determines the stability or instability of the government and its power within and outside the country in the interface geography. It is further divided into the following categories or into the following sub-branches: thematic cartography, computer cartography, remote sensing, quantitative geography of health, information system, environmental. Thematic cartography is of preparing maps and diagrams involving field survey with specific themes representing the spatial distribution of phenomena under study. For example, spatial distribution of population density in the world, distribution of rainfall, etc. Computer cartography. Thematic maps and graphs prepared by adopting quantitative and qualitative data analysis using specialized software is in a computer are called as a computer cartography. Computer cartography has a proof provided is by saving time, cost, and energy while producing different spatial dimensions of maps and diagrams. Remote sensing may be defined a collection of data but an about object from a distance. For example, aircraft provides with aerial photographs, space satellites provided with satellite imagery. These have specific uses such as information about weather phenomena, security purpose, identified the areas affected with flood, drought, earthquake, landslide, land use, study of natural resources, etc. Quantitative geography, the application of mathematical and the statistical concepts and methods to the study of geography. Quantitative geography is thus an empirical study of spatial phenomena found on the Earth's surface that helps in determining certain scientific principles and laws. Geography of health. Health geography is the application of geographical information with spatial perspectives and methods to the study of health, disease, and health care of any area. Environmental geography is a branch of geography that studies how physical and human environment are interacted with each other to produce different land use and its effect on the nature, environment, and on living species. Geographic information system is defined as a system that facilitates storage and intelligent use of data about land and water resources and human activity. Environmental geography is the branch of geography that describes and explains the spatial aspects of interactions between human individuals or scientists, societies, and their natural environment. It involves several aspects of the relationship between humans and the environment. Recommended readings. These are some references books which you people can use for the detailed notes of this topic. Inshallah, it will help you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.